Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Alejandro Romo, and in this channel we're going to be talking about investing, personal finance, and all things money. Everything you need to know to go from being frugal to being affluent. In this video today we're going to be talking about my 3 favorite high yield savings accounts right now. Alright, so coming in at number 1 we have Ally Savings with a 2.1 annual percentage yield. That's a pretty good yield to start with. I've had this bank for about maybe 5 years, so I would highly recommend it to anybody trying to open any high yield savings account. It's pretty cool. They have multiple different products. They have CDs, investing, money market accounts, and more. Just check them out. Let's see some of the features they got. Alright, so as we can see, they are FDIC insured. You want anywhere where you put your money to be some type of insured, whether it's FDIC or I think it's SIPC insured. Always need to be insured in case anything happens to whatever bank account or brokerage you're using. Like if they go out of business, you'll be funded back. Let's see. Okay, so they do cover you up to $250,000, which is about the norm for any bank, which is pretty cool. Let's see what else. They offer no monthly maintenance fees or minimum balance requirements, so that's pretty awesome. You can open multiple accounts and have them all at $0 and not get charged anything, not to worry about anything. That's awesome. Yeah. Oh, let's look at this calculator real quick. You can see that if you were to put a deposit of $1,000 and just let it sit there for a year, you would make $21 on that investment. That's way better than putting that money into like Bank of America, Chase, PNC Bank. You can see you get a 0.03, 0.01. After 1 year, you're only making 30 cents or 10 cents on your money. That sucks. That has nowhere keeps close to inflation. So you need to try to keep up with inflation. 2.1 average is about 3% for the inflation, but this is a pretty good start. Alright, coming in at number 2, we got HSBC Direct Savings with a annual percentage yield of 2.30. That's pretty good. 0.2 better. I would recommend them too. I personally don't use them. I'm not really a point chaser, so I'm sticking with Ally Savings for now. Let's see what they have offer. Let's see. No monthly maintenance fees. That's pretty awesome. Minimum balance of only $1 to open the account. That's pretty cool too. Mobile check deposit, online transfers. They are also FDIC insured, and I'm pretty sure it's for the $250,000 as well. That's awesome. That's about it right here. They don't really go over too much. So yeah, that's HSBC Direct. Coming in at number 3, we have Wealthfront. They're better known for their robo-advisor brokerage. I've never used this bank either, but I came across it and I saw that they have a 2.57 annual percentage yield. That's pretty high. It's one of the ones that I saw with no I believe they don't have no minimum balance. Let's see. Okay, well, I see that they're FDIC insured for up to $1 million. That's 4 times the insurance that the traditional banks provide. No market risk. Your cash is kept out of the market, so you never have to worry about short-term volatility. So this is separate from the robo-advisory accounts. And transfers. No fees, no advisory fees, no management fees. That's awesome. $1 minimum to open. That's it, just $1? Psst, no brainer. Alright, let's see. Let's switch this to $1,000 so we can compare it to the other one. Alright, so switching it to $1,000, you can see Wealthfront with a 2.57, you'll be earning an extra $26 per year for every $1,000 you have in your account. That's pretty awesome. 2.57. I'm gonna have to check this out. I'm gonna open one of these accounts just to see what the hype is all about, because to be honest, I think I saw this like last week and it was at 2.51, so pretty impressive already. So yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. As you can see, you got 3 different savings accounts that you can choose from. Again, I recommend Ally Savings. I've been using them for years, so never had any issues with them. HSBC Direct got a little bit better with a 2.3, and then you have Wealthfront with a 2.57, which I'm gonna open one of those accounts and let you guys know how it goes. That wraps it up. Just leave me a like, comment, subscribe wherever the button is at, and I'll see you guys later. Let's get this money.